Hello everyone, I'm Marilu Sarmiento from Rome, Italy. I'm one of the OFW. Alam mo, minsan, feeling natin wala nang nangyayari sa buhay natin. Parang paulit-ulit na lang ba? Pero tandaan mo, every small step counts. Hindi mo man makita ngayon ang resulta, pero sa bawat araw na magsusumikap ka, sa bawat dasal mo, God is working behind the scenes. Kaya huwag kang susuko. Keep going, keep praying, at maniwala ka, one day, all your sacrifice will be worth it. Stay strong and be grateful always. Bye!